Remember that our brains quickly forget numbers and code, but we deeply remember people. The innovator or founder who developed the solution is your central character. Profiling this person helps your audience understand how the technology works and why they should care. Don't ever take their word for it. Protect your integrity by running a thorough background check to ensure they are the real deal. Start with some digital digging. Analyze past news reports, review their website, and audit their social media footprint to verify their identity. Run a functional audit on their technology. Look beyond the marketing hype by investigating user ratings, customer reviews, and try out their solution for yourself. If the verified facts about this person confirm your initial assessment, then you're good to go. Next, start compiling your background notes about the central character. Even if you are a purely visual storyteller and not a writer, you will definitely need these core details later for captions, video descriptions, and social media posts. Gather this information for your blueprint by sharing preliminary questions like these with your central character first before you meet them on location later. These questions are different from the questions you will ask during your formal video interview with the central character. Working this way saves you from recording hours of unnecessary footage. You don't want to waste precious on-camera time trying to dig for basic background information. Massive video files eat up your storage, slow down your editing tools, and make it a nightmare to find the exact quotes you need later. Instead, just conduct a preliminary phone interview and record it with their consent, or simply have them record their answers and send them to you. This approach is both streamlined and effective, especially since all you want at this point is background information for your story. While we're at it, let's also add plans for the on-camera interview with the central character to your story blueprint. Because you already have their background info, you can keep this session short and highly focused when on location. AI innovators are constantly multitasking and firefighting, but most of them also like talking to storytellers who genuinely seek to understand what they're trying to do. Your job is to keep them from giving long technical explanations so you get answers that are energetic, insightful, and relatable. Crucially, conduct this interview directly where their technology is actively being used. This raises your story's credibility because the audience can see the reality behind the tech. But real-world spaces are notoriously hard for content creators and mobile journalists to control. A planned, organized interview helps keep production quality high even while working quickly. Here are 5 targeted questions you can adapt for your on-camera interview with the central character. You will notice they draw directly from the 5 story building blocks in Module 1. Now let's look at the visuals you will need of your central character. To keep your production fast and efficient, plan to capture video sequences that match your interview questions. Think of a sequence as a simple visual formula: a wide shot, a medium shot, and a close-up of the same action edited together to form a smooth, continuous scene. We will go deeper into filming video in Module 3. For your blueprint right now, plan your video shots and sequences along these lines. Aim to capture a variety of authentic, day-in-the-life images showing your central character in their natural element. Avoid posed portraits or AI-generated photos in favor of candid shots that reflect real-world action. Do not just rely on the audio captured while filming. Many of you are experienced podcasters or radio journalists, so you know how important it is to intentionally record ambient sound. It's a practice all storytellers should adopt because it makes African tech stories sound better, which ultimately helps increase their impact. Think of it as including audio insurance in your blueprint. If the audio in your sequences is distorted or unclear, a clean, standalone ambient track saves your project.
The audio is useless. I don't know what to do.
Your audience needs to hear that reality. Your blueprint should include plans to record the following when you're on location, while filming, interviewing, and taking photos. And that's how to plan to get the best out of your central character. In the next lesson, we will build the blueprint for your impact character.